Hi and welcome to Morgoths Kitchen, where today I'm going to make some pork crackling my way. Separate the skin and the fat from your pork. Put it on the board nice and flat and get yourself a nice sharp Stanley knife. Slash the pork skin. Make as many slashes as you possibly can, cutting right down into it. This is where your flavour and oil is going to go into these gaps and help it crackle. Get yourself some sea salt, the kind you find in a grinder, like a salt mill, as you can see here. Pop this into a pestle and mortar. Now what I like to add to this is some herbs and spices, but in this case I'm just going to add some sage. Put your sage in with the salt. Get yourself a good quality extra virgin olive oil and glug it over. Don't be afraid to get it all over it. Gently massage and rub it in all over it, ensuring to get it all within them nooks and crannies and all them slashes. Put your fingers in between. Get your mortar and give it a little whiz up. Not too much because you want it quite coarse. So once it's cooked you can brush off the excess salt. Remember, this is just to add flavour, to help it crackle. Sprinkle this over whilst rubbing it in. Cover it completely in the salt and your herbs. Once you're done, turn it over and add it to the underside. This is where all the fat is. It's going to melt down. Sure to get all the herbs and flavours off the board. Get it in them slits. Preheated oven, 200 degrees for 40 minutes.